Good morning students. Today revision part lesson number 3 matter around us. Today the revision answer in detail. Okay, first question, differentiate metals and non-metals. Okay, now you see metals, non-metals. First point, metals are lustrous, they have a shiny surface. Non-metals are non-lustrous, they have non-shiny surface. Second point, metals are generally hard, so non-metal are generally soft. Most metals are bendable, non-metals are non-bendable. Most metals can be bent, beaten into sheets, and they can drawn into wires. Non-metals are non-ductile. Okay, so next fifth point is, most metals are good conductor of electricity, non-metals are bad conductor of electricity. Most metals are good conductor of heat, non-metals are bad conductor of heat. Most metals are making ringing sound when struck, hence they are used to make objects like bells. Non-metals does not make any sound when they struck. Example of metal: copper, lead, tin, nickel. Next, non-metals, non-metal example: carbon, iodine, sulfur. Okay, so you go to the second questions. Explain the characteristic of compound. Okay, a compound, first point, a compound is formed only when the constituent elements combined in the fixed proportion. The properties of the compound are different from those of its constituent elements. Third point, a compound cannot be broken down by physical methods. Fourth point, this is because a compound is made up of the different elements that are chemically combined. Sodium chloride cannot be separated by the physical methods such as a filtration. Fifth point, a compound can be separated into its constituent elements by chemical methods only. So third question C, describe the different ways in which we can write the symbols of element. Give appropriate examples. So first point, the chemical symbols usually consists of 1 or 2 letters. The symbols of most elements corresponding to the first letter of their English name. For example, the symbol of the oxygen is a O, and that for hydrogen is capital H. When there is a more than one element that begin with the same letter, the symbols take in 2 letters. The first letter is a capitalized, while the second letter has a lowercase. For example, the names of both hydrogen and helium being with H. So the hydrogen is here represented by the symbol H and helium by E. Okay, helium by He. For example, hydrogen H, fluorine F, aluminium Al, argon Ar, phosphorus P, sulfate S, chromium Cr, cobalt Co. Okay. Students, the recording class, I give 3 details. You sit and thorough it. Whenever the live class, I will give the test. Okay. Be careful, be thorough with it. Thank you, children.